So we're about to go into the HTC Vive and check out the Vive Pro, which has 80% more resolution than the HTC Vive currently and the Oculus Rift. It should have tremendously better display. I'm really looking forward to trying it out. I'm a huge fan of VR. I had an Oculus last year and it just blew my mind. I can't wait to try out the Vive Pro.
I'm just excited about this chair spot in the middle of the line.
I know. There's a waiting line to get in.
One there.
All the way back there. And we managed to land on the couch in the middle of the line. It's pretty awesome. So the Vive Pro is supposed to have better resolution, better sound on the headset itself. They also are releasing a wireless solution, which would be really amazing. I wonder how well it's gonna work. Okay, here we go into the HTC Vive Demo area. It's gonna be freaking epic. Let's get started. I'm just kidding, let's get in there. Okay, so behind me we have the Vive Pro, he's using it right now, and the regular HTC Vive. I'm gonna try both, and then I'm gonna give you my impressions on the resolution difference and how much better or worse it is. Okay, yeah, I can definitely see a screen door effect. I fell through the earth and it's trippy as hell looking up at this. Okay, well I got a good impression of it. So first impressions of the difference here. The Vive Pro seems a little bit beefier, like for example, right here we've got plastic coming up on both sides. This one, it's kind of turns into a bare bones structural layer. The Vive also has a lot more extra just like cables running around it. Like you have cable here, cable here. The Vive Pro looks a lot classier with a lot more of the cables hidden and like wired in tracks here. I like that a lot more. I think the Vive Pro definitely looks a lot better. We also have cameras on the front of the Vive Pro. I guess that's probably for augmented reality tracking. Obviously on the inside we also have a much higher resolution on the Vive Pro. The material here on the Vive Pro is more of a foam. This is more of like a rubberized. The Vive Pro is definitely a lot softer. I bet you this also breathes a lot better, less sweaty. They also have cutouts on the side here. That's probably making it a lot better for people who wear glasses. Okay, way less screen door effect. I can tell already. I mean, it's still there, just a little bit of screen door effect. I think the Pimax will still be a lot higher resolution, but this is a huge improvement for sure on the Oculus and the HTC Vive currently. That is so cool. So Carla's got glasses. Let's see if her glasses fit inside of it. I don't think they will, but...
Oh, you can!
You can wear glasses?
Yeah! So much clearer. Wow.
So the screen door effect is way less noticeable, way less pronounced. Huge thumbs up from me. I'm really impressed right now. I think this is about 70% of the way there. We need about 30% more resolution to really completely eliminate that screen door effect. Something else I didn't mention is that the Vive Pro is supposed to have a better sweet spot for when you put it on. You're supposed to be able to more easily get into that perfect immersion zone where it looks like you're in the environment. The reason why it's supposed to have a better sweet spot is because the glass can actually move closer and further from your eyes, providing you a better overall experience with more immersion and potentially better field of view. By bringing the lens closer, you get to see more, essentially. So that's another big improvement with the Vive Pro. All right, so we're trying the CXC simulations with the Vive Pro. Should be freaking amazing.
Stay left. Good. When you accelerate, wait for the lights to come on the dash before you shift. Left, left, left. Good. Little brake. Good.
When you hit those bumpers, you really feel it.
Good. Full gas. Easy, easy. Straighten it up. There you go.
Holy crap, that was so immersive. You just feel the torque, the G-forces. When you brake, you feel the tension on your shoulders. When you slam the gas, you're just feeling it. Feels so much like a car. You're like hitting the bumpers, you're like... Oh my god, fantastic. Some other ways the Vive Pro is better than the HTC Vive is that the headphones are much improved. They also have a built-in amplifier in the headphones to give them more power. They also have dual mics with noise cancellation so that it captures and isolates your voice better for when you're talking in the VR environment. The resolution on the Vive Pro is also 2880 by 1600, which is 78% more than the HTC Vive standard. I am definitely going to be buying an HTC Vive Pro as well as a Pimax and giving them a full test run. I can't wait to try it out with all my games. It's going to be freaking epic having that ultra high resolution. I can't wait till the resolution gets even better though. That's it for this episode, checking out the Vive Pro. I'll have a video on the Vive Wireless Adapter coming up soon, which is right there behind me actually. So link in the description if you want to check out that wireless adapter video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Brandon out. Woo.